Hey guys, welcome back to Guide Glimpse, how to use Fooocus AI. In today's video, let me teach you on how you can use Fooocus AI. Let's download the app first. Open a browser, then search for Fooocus AI GitHub. Now open this website. Scroll down to the download section. Click on the highlighted text right here. Select what file path you want to save the zip file. Click save and then wait for it to finish downloading the zip file. Once the download is finished, then go back to the folder and then right-click on the zip file and select extract here on the pop-up menu. After extracting the zip file, you see different files right here. For now, let's simply double-click on this file and then it will open a command prompt. From here, it will begin another download. Simply wait for a few minutes to finish downloading. It will take for some time depending on your computer and your internet speed. And once the download is completed, then it will automatically open a window. In this window, simply enter the prompt that you want. For example, let's enter this prompt. Generate an image of a boy playing on a beach. Then click on Generate. Wait for it to finish generating the image. And once it finishes, you will see the generated image of it. And from there, you can download it if you want. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.